I'm Karen, and I should never have shot my mum.
Do it.
Oh, yeah.
Is that one dead?
No, it's getting his willy out.
Is it?
Yeah, it's got
That
willy.
is disgusting.
Is he back on the wheelie? What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm interrupting on the, sexual adventure.
You two are moles.
Really disgusting.
Yeah,
but
it all started at the barbecue when I was on the trampoline.
look what I can do.
And my sleepover.
I'm starting my period.
I'm going to the toilet.
You are back.
I just thought maybe we could do this.
Darling. Why are you in a tent, darling? It's much safer in the house. We got some condoms.
All she said was, darling, darling, all the time.
Darling? Look at...
She brought me a dog. Wanted a butterfly. I took drastic action. I called around my best friends, Nelly and Korella.
Init!
Yeah, bro.
Reinforcements!
Oh.
An inch is so nice. We care. How many cavities do you think this has, darling?
Wait, I'll just go get her.
Finish off the job, darling!
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 I think she's dead.
Bloody hope so.
Victory is mine.
Because my mum was such a scat, the grave I would take. Because my mum was such a scat, I wouldn't take it. Because my mum was such a scat, the grave I wouldn't take her, so I had to put it in the fridge. I needed reinforcements.
Yeah.
Refreshments. No!
You are going to get rid of the body, aren't you?
Yeah, sure I am. Because we know you're very forgetful. Init. So. 2 weeks later.
And it still was the same cook.
2 weeks later, Nelly and Korella came round again, but obviously I forgot to take the body out. I'm not some kind of superhero, am I?
We don't wear shoes like we use it hard. Alright.
Can I just go get a receipt?
No!
No!
I was going to go get a drink.
I want to get some ice cubes, blood.
Come on then.
You go.
No! Why? 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 Why?
An ice cube, blood.
Light! Everyone! We just finished up. The light doesn't go out. Oh my god.
She wasn't even dead blood.
And then all of them got sentenced to prison. And now they're in the electric chair. And she's dead!
You ready, mate?
Yeah. This is going to be like a wipeout now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mate, we ain't dead. Right? Yeah, stop having press, man.
We're on garden chairs.
I need ice cubes.
Go.
Karen and her mum became well good friends, but it was sort of incest.
But we is well posh now, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
But they still wear the same clothes, man.
That is well bad.